My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the scary alerts that come from the site kellyman.com. kellyman.com is a deceptive site. It is deceptive because it claims to be related to the well-known security application. However, it is not related to that application. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to deceive users and to trick them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Also, when people interact with these pop-ups, they may be asked to actually provide some of their personal data, which may be used illegally. So if you see these pop-ups by kellyman.com, don't tolerate these pop-ups and don't install anything that they ever suggest. Simply leave this page and disregard it. I also strongly advise that you additionally research your system and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start thoroughly investigating and researching your system in order to detect and remove other threats completely from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.